Hello friends, it is good to be back with you today and I'm excited to see you in a couple days. So let's take a look today. We are dividing by fives. So remember, division, say it with me, is subtracting equal groups. Division is subtracting equal groups. So all that means is we're trying to figure out, for example, if we had 15 divided by 3. We're trying to see how many times does 3 fit into 15. And we are seeing how many times can we subtract 3 from 15. Let's try it out. We subtract that, we get 12. We're going to subtract again. We're going to get down to 9. We're going to subtract again. We're going to get 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. How many times did we have to subtract to get to 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer is 5 because we can take 3 away from 15 5 times. It's easier though if we make our circles with our dots or if we skip count. So let's solve a couple problems just to review, and then I'm going to show you the worksheet because there are a couple things on the worksheet I want to help you out with. So let's start with this one. 45 divided by 5. Go ahead and solve it on your boards. Three, 2, 1, and show me. All right, remember we're going to skip count by 5. We have to skip count by the divisor. This is the dividend. This is the divisor, the answer is the quotient. We're going to skip count by the divisor. Here we go, ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We got to 45 and we have 9 fingers up. That means our answer is 9. And we could make 5 circles and put in our dots equally and we would have 9 dots in each circle, okay? Pretty easy. I know you guys are getting super good at this. So let me show you your worksheet. Here on the front, it says circle groups of 5. So you're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and circle it. Count up another 5 and circle it. And then you're going to divide. 25 divided by 5. See how many groups you had and how many is in each group. Same here, circle groups of 5. See how many groups there are, how many is in each group. All right? Here on the back, I want to change a little bit of the instructions here. It says count back to find the quotient. I don't want you to count back. I want you to skip count. So 20 divided by 5, how would you skip count? 5, 10, 15, 20, and then circle your answer, 20. And then you're going to see how many times you skip counted. You skip counted 4 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 4. I guess we shouldn't circle that in 20, huh? That's more like when we were multiplying. So you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. You skip counted 4 times because you'd put up 4 fingers. That's your answer. Same thing here, just skip count. 5, 10. All right? Then here you're going to solve and you're going to use that same number in your multiplication problem because remember, multiplication and division are opposite. Now this part, oh my goodness, my friends, this is the part that 3rd graders have so much trouble with every year, and I want to help you out with this because it is not as hard as you think. Let me show you. It says, make tally marks to show the number of tricks performed. Now, if you remember tally marks, some of you may have done this before, some of you maybe haven't, so I want to demonstrate for you. Tally marks are when we do groups of 5, okay? Groups of 5. And it says for every 5 tricks, the sea lion receives a treat. How many treats did each sea lion receive? So it says Zuzu did 12 tricks. So we're going to make 12 tally marks. But remember, we do groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we're going to keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 10. And then 11, 12. So then we're going to do the tally marks right here. You would write them in here. Oh, see if my pencil will work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. That's 12. Then you're going to see how many groups of 5 are there because they got 1 treat for this 5 and another treat for this 5. This isn't a group of 5, so they didn't get a treat for this group. So how many treats did they get? They got 2 treats, right? So you're going to write 2 over here. We're going to do the same thing here for each of these. Write your tally marks. Then all you have to do is see how many groups of 5 are there. How many groups of 5 did you make? And then that's the number of treats that they got, okay? I promise if you do the tally marks just like I showed you right here, you will get it. Because all you have to do is count. Oh, look, there's a group of 5, there's a group of 5. 2 groups of 5, so 2 treats, okay? And then down here at the bottom, you're just going to solve these problems just like normal. Put your fingers up and skip count. You've got this, and I can't